When modernizing a platform for operational use, you hit a mechanical fork in the road. You can either brute force aftermarket parts onto a legacy blueprint and fight the resulting tolerance stacking, or you can adopt a system engineered from the factory for modern demands. Stacking upgrades often compromises baseline reliability, while factory integration guarantees the mechanics work in unison. This month's new releases are not generic catalog updates. From integrated porting to purpose-built chassis systems, these firearms are engineered solutions to specific operational bottlenecks. Inglis addresses the challenge of modernizing a legacy locked breech system with the 2035, a high power engineered for current operational requirements. The foundation is a durable forged steel frame and slide, but the geometry is updated for modern use. The slide features a direct mount Delta Point Pro optics cut paired with suppressor height sights, while a new, full-length dust cover integrates a machined accessory rail for lights and lasers. The critical engineering decision here is in parts compatibility. While the frame and slide are proprietary to accommodate these new features, all other components remain compatible with the vast ecosystem of standard high-power parts. This provides a mechanically sound, factory-supported path for modern attachments, without abandoning the platform's established serviceability. At an MSRP of $739, it presents a deliberate alternative to irreversible custom gunsmithing, offering integrated features with known tolerances from day one. The Smith & Wesson Spec Series 6 M&P9 M2.0 Metal demonstrates what happens when recoil mitigation is engineered at the factory level. Built on a rigid 707 5-T6 aluminum frame, finished in champagne Cerakote, this platform uses material mass to stabilize the firing cycle. The primary mechanical advantage comes from 12 o'clock inline porting on its 4-inch barrel. By venting expanding gases upward, the system actively counters muzzle rise, allowing the slide to cycle flatter for faster sight tracking. To maximize mechanical leverage, the frame integrates a Floyd's Custom Shop EDC magwell. Paired with matching base plates on the included magazines, this setup forces a higher, tighter grip while streamlining reloads. Topping off the integration is a factory-mounted Aimpoint Acro P2, ensuring the optic and slide share a verified tolerance standard. At an MSRP of $1,899, the Spec Series 6 bypasses the trial and error of aftermarket tuning, delivering a complete, cohesive system straight from the box. The Shadow Systems E526 AR pistol stands as the antithesis of a parts bin carbine, representing end-to-end engineering for a specific operational profile. Its core is an 11 5-inch chrome-lined 4150 CMV barrel, paired with a meticulously tuned gas system, balancing velocity retention with compact handling. This barrel is anchored by a highly rigid handguard interface, purpose-built to maintain consistent zero for IR and aiming devices under stress. Internally, the E526 features a true two-stage duty trigger for predictable engagement and premium BCG coatings that enhance reliability and reduce friction. Muzzle control is managed by a proprietary Maelstrom flash hider, which crucially includes a Plan B suppressor interface, allowing immediate, tool-less suppressor attachment. This deliberate integration of components, from gas system to muzzle device, delivers a cohesive platform engineered for consistent performance. At an MSRP of $279, it offers a factory-optimized solution for those prioritizing integrated system integrity over aftermarket assembly. The SIG 516G3 addresses the inherent fouling and heat soak issues of direct impingement by utilizing a short-stroke piston operating system. This mechanical shift isolates the bolt carrier group from carbon blowback, a critical advantage when running high suppression schedules. The system is anchored by an adjustable gas block, allowing the user to tune the rifle's cycle to the specific back pressure of their muzzle device. A 16-inch cold hammer-forged barrel with a 1-to-7 twist provides the necessary thermal stability and rifling for heavy-duty service. Ergonomically, the G3 introduces a unique rear and side non-reciprocating charging handle, offering mechanical leverage regardless of the shooter's position or optic clearance. Internally, the rifle utilizes steel-reinforced high-wear components and a SIG Matchlight Duo trigger to maintain a consistent break under hard use. While a confirmed price point is currently unavailable, the 516 G3 represents a calculated engineering solution for those who require piston-driven reliability over the standard DI baseline, pivoting the platform towards sustained operational longevity. The Adler RF224 functions as a purpose-built training platform, leveraging an aluminum chassis to replicate the ergonomics and manual of arms found in modern centerfire carbines. Its design prioritizes modularity, featuring an M-LOK handguard that allows for the attachment of lights, lasers, and optics to mirror a primary duty rifle's configuration. The platform is available in a 20-inch standard barrel or an 11.7-inch threaded tactical variant, the latter providing a compact footprint for suppressor integration. Mechanically, the RF224 utilizes an adapter to accept standard Ruger 1022 magazines, ensuring high-capacity reliability. While the lack of a bolt holdopen is a distinct mechanical limitation, it requires the user to maintain a more disciplined round count, mirroring the manual operation of many closed-bolt systems. Weighing 4.6 pounds, the rifle provides a lightweight, cost-effective solution for high-volume repetition, bridging the gap between recreational rimfire and serious tactical training. The CVA Cascade Rimfire presents a precision training solution distinct from the Adler, offering a full-size centerfire feel within a bolt-action .22 LR platform. This design directly mirrors the ergonomics and manual of arms of a hunting or precision rifle, serving as a cost-effective subcaliber trainer. Its 18-inch barrel comes threaded, 1/2x28 TPI, facilitating direct attachment of muzzle devices or suppressors. Feeding is managed via 10-22 rotary magazines, ensuring wide compatibility. The trigger mechanism is a non-adjustable 3-pound unit, providing a consistent, predictable break for precision work. CVA offers the Cascade Rimfire in 3 configurations: the base model at $399, the XT with a fluted barrel and tungsten Cerakote for $449, and the classic walnut stock variant at $499. This tiered approach allows users to acquire a full-scale training rifle optimized for high-volume practice without sacrificing a realistic centerfire interface. The Langdon Tactical LTT ADX represents a calculated exercise in recoil management through caliber selection. By transitioning the Beretta ADX Cheetah platform to .32 ACP, Langdon achieves a significant reduction in felt recoil without compromising the pistol's overall dimensions or defensive utility. This mechanical optimization allows for faster follow-up shots and improved control, particularly for shooters sensitive to the snap of traditional .380 ACP blowback actions. The pistol integrates Langdon's signature functional refinements, including the Extreme S double/single action trigger and a skeletonized hammer for a smoother, more consistent pull. The optics ready slide and Vertex-style grip profile ensure the platform remains compatible with modern sighting systems and ergonomic preferences. By applying these rigorous fitment standards to the 32 ACP chambering, the LTT ADX provides a highly controllable, duty-capable option for those prioritizing shootability. Available at a $755 MAP, it serves as a specialized solution for users seeking maximum performance from a compact, low-recoil frame. Springfield's Model 2020 Heatseeker departs from traditional rifle bedding by anchoring its action directly to a rigid chassis system engineered for mechanical consistency. The foundation is a Sharps Brothers single-piece chassis machined from 6061 T6 aluminum to create a non-flexing platform that eliminates variables common to conventional stocks. This chassis is designed for modularity, accepting standard AR-15 buffer tubes and pistol grips, allowing end-user customization of the interface. The barrel is a 16-inch BSF unit, jacketed in a roll-wrapped carbon fiber sleeve, a design that manages barrel harmonics and heat dissipation without the weight penalty of a heavy profile. This rigid foundation and advanced barrel technology, combined with an adjustable TriggerTech field trigger, underwrite the rifle's factory .75 MOA accuracy guarantee. With an MSRP of $2,355, the Heatseeker is positioned not as an upgraded hunting rifle, but as a purpose-built precision system engineered from the ground up. Ruger's Harrier line re-engineers the baseline modern sporting rifle by addressing the loose tolerances that plague standard platforms. The foundation of both models relies on forged 7075 aluminum receivers featuring an integrated tension screw, allowing users to eliminate upper to lower receiver play for a rigid, unified chassis. Internally, reliability is driven by a black nitride bolt carrier group, a properly staked gas key, and a chrome-plated firing pin to withstand high-volume cycling. Ruger splits the line to solve two distinct operational preferences. The Model 28600 utilizes a mid-length gas system for smoother recoil impulses, paired with a full-length top rail and Magpul furniture for $749. Conversely, the Model 28601 opts for a carbine-length gas system, a lighter handguard without the continuous top rail, and a classic A2 grip and M4 stock for $699. Rather than forcing aftermarket upgrades to fix factory slop, the Harrier provides a tightly toleranced, purpose-gassed foundation straight from the box. The decision tree ends here. Factory-engineered solutions consistently outperform aftermarket guesswork. For integrated recoil management, the S&W Spec Series delivers it from the factory. For guaranteed precision, the Heatseeker chassis provides it. The alternative is a constant battle against compromised reliability. What's in your holster? Let me know in the comments.